increased pressure on the levees in New Orleans. When the water gets a certain height, the New Orleans levees can't hold it anymore. So they maintain it at that level, below that height, and that's how they take the pressure off the levees in New Orleans. Those are wooden slats. They lift them out. They got lifters on top with that little crane, and they lay them on that trolley. And they walk down through here picking them up to open the spillway. The water comes over the concrete wall. These concrete things here catches the logs and the woods and the debris, and the water just flows all the way to the Lake Pontchartrain and into the Gulf of Mexico.
Places let's go here on the Mississippi River, St. Charles Parish, Louisiana. We want to share with you the Bonnet Carré Spillway. This spillway is a controlled structure built in the late 1920s. The reason it was built was in response to the Great Mississippi Flood of 1927. If you look at this structure, I believe I read it goes about 5 miles. The research I found coming in here was that the last time the Bonnet Carré Spillway was opened was in 2020. You see the ship going upriver? Look at that. And you see all that good river silt right there? When the water comes up, even when they don't have to open the Bonnet Carré Spillway, when it just comes up in general, this river silt gets deposited when the water recedes, and they use that for projects around the state. Places let's go. Always learning something. Here's a little land yap about the river silt. Go ahead, Hughes.
Once every spring, the river floods. It doesn't always open the spillway, but the spillway is a distance from the water. So the water will flood into this area, and when it recedes, it leaves behind silt deposit in these spots. Where you see the water to your left, they've already dug that out, and they're digging out up there. They'll haul it out of here, and then those new pits will catch new silt next year. So every year it replenishes a supply of material to be used in roadways and projects.
Could you, as just a citizen of Louisiana, go down there and get some?
You have to pay for the rights.
Oh, okay. Oh, there goes a truck right now going to get some.
There's a company that has bought the rights to the dirt.
Okay.
And they go in there and they pay the state for the rights to go in there, and it'd be like mining a coal mine. They go in there and mine the silt pit. They get the silt out and use it.
Very interesting. Well, here you go, Bonnet Carré Spillway. History 101. There's 7,600 acres out there that the spillway can release the Mississippi River floodwaters into. In addition to the ship travel on the Mississippi River, we have the train tracks right there. And in the distance back there, you can see some cars moving back there. That is US 61, which starts at the Mississippi River in New Orleans on Common Street, turns into 2-lane street, and then becomes US 61 and goes all the way north to, it ends in Minnesota. So that's pretty cool too. And then right over there is the airport. So you also have air traffic. So every form of transportation, it can be found right here.
Can be.
What's that, bike tools?
Yeah, that's to take your spoke and do not only spoke, so you can take your tire off.
So yeah, that's another form of transportation. Bike riding and family activities are very common in the Bonnet Carré Spillway. There's a place right over there, if you look.
Look at this.
To fly, hold on one second, to fly model airplanes right there. Whenever it's not flooded with Mississippi water.
Hand pump.
Air pump.
Air your tire up on your bicycle.
I love it.